Good morning, everyone. Another early morning ride. Thanks for joining me. What I'm going to do today is address the long bolts on the GoPro mounts and how to get around it. I'm going to pull over again. I'm not sure where. I might go down a dirt road into a little nice conservation park. Pull over and show you what I mean there. What I might also do, something a bit different that I don't normally do, and that's take you on a bit of my hike. So riding and hiking be fantastic, so stay tuned. So what a different video I've got planned for you then. Going into a little conservation park on the bike through dirt roads. And I think you know my view of dirt roads. I don't like them, but it's a very easy dirt road. And I do it very slowly. I'll talk about the GoPro and how to solve the long screw issue. Not the long screw, but the screws with the enormous long arm on them, which is very handy. It's actually a very good design if you're needing to adjust your mount often, but I don't. So I got rid of those, the screws with the long arm, and went to the hardware shop and bought some normal ones which are the exact fit. It makes it look tidier, and those big long handle screwy knobby things don't get in the way. Let's hope I don't miss the turn off to the conservation park. I always want to call it conversation park. Here it is here. Scott Creek Conservation Park. Let's go and have a look. Now I'm going to take it nice and slow. Really, because I don't want to drop the bike. And we can have a look at the beautiful views. Sometimes when I'm on the bike I forget to have a look. I'm concentrating on riding so much that I forget to have a look at the beautiful countryside. If my wife's on the back, she says, "Oh, it was gorgeous, I loved it, I loved the scenery. Did you see this? Did you see that?" And I have to admit no, because I'm concentrating on riding too much. And keeping us safe. What I also might show you when I'm get to the little area that I'm going to do my review, is I'll show you my earplugs. What I'm using now and what I used to use. Here we are. Scott Creek Conservation Park. Let's have a bit of a look. Oh, magnificent, really. Beautiful. I was hoping to have a table and chair somewhere, but there's nothing. So this is my table and chair. Some old machinery, old tractor or something. Anyway, let's do it on the, let's have the review on the tractor. Well, here we are. Oh, my earplugs, that's better. I can hear now. What I want to show you is this. My GoPro setup. And what they come with is this long knob. Fantastic design. But when it's in here, it sticks out. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. It sticks out and it gets in the way. Also, if I had that one there, I wouldn't have the angle that I do now. So what I did, I went to the local hardware shop and got a screw to match it perfectly. Can you see that? Really, really good. And because I don't have to adjust the arm at all, it's fine there. I put these in, you can see the end there. And what it's done is it made it's neater. Looks better, I think. I can get the angle that I wish, and it just tidies it up. I can get the angle in there, as I said before, because if that was there, I couldn't push that right back. Just from your local hardware shop, get one of these and put them in. Do it up tight. Fantastic. The other thing I wanted to show you are my Alpine earplugs. Here they are. Can you see that? I always used to use these. Really good, but they stuck out a long way from my ear, and every time I put my helmet on, or not every time, but often, they would come out and I'd have to do it again. These fit into your ear nicely. In the little pack, let me get my helmet out of the way. Okay, in the pack, what you get are the black ones with the black tip and the red ones. The red ones are designed for racing, and that's what I use, not because I race, but because I like to block out a lot of noise, wind noise. And this, you get that as well. You put that on there and you twist it into your ear so you can get it right in there, and they work well. Look after them because they're not cheap, but they're good. They're worth the money, and they do protect my ears. So I've talked about the earplugs and the screws for the GoPro setup. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Well, the old tractor wasn't the easiest thing to do the review on, but I think it worked. Well, some volunteers who do weeding in the park. All of these conservation parks have a group of volunteers, and they get together, weed the place, fix up walking trails, and they're fantastic people. Now, you know I don't like dirt roads, but I'm doing a fair bit lately, and they're not real dirt, they're just unsealed roads, I suppose is the better word for them. And I think the more you practice, the better you get. Nice twisty little back road, this. Oh. Oh. Hi, I'm now hiking in the Waite Conservation Park. Fabulous place, and I hike about 3 to 4 times a week. Anyway, I'll see you at the top. Okay, I'm at the top. This is Adelaide. Well, thank you guys for joining me on my review. Well, not really a review, a discussion on the screws that I put in my GoPro setup. Also, the review, it was a bit of a review on my Alpine earplugs, which I really like. I've got used to them. And also for my little hike in the Waite Conservation Park. So I hope there was a bit of something for everybody.